Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
Same ratio in different situations. Consider the following. Length of a room is 30 meter and its breadth is 20 meter. So, the ratio of the length of the room to the breadth of the room is 30 upon 20. Now, this is equal to 3 upon 2. That is 3:2. There are 24 girls and 16 boys going for a picnic. Now, picnic is fun. Ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys would be 24 upon 16. And that is equal to 3 upon 2. That is 3:2. Now, I'm sure you must have noticed that ratios 30:20 and 24:16 in the lowest form are same as 3:2. These are equivalent ratios. Consider one example. Ravi and Rani started a business and invested money in the ratio 2:3. After 1 year, the total profit was rupees 40,000. Ravi started dividing profit equally, but Rani said that as I have invested more, I should get more. So, they decided to divide the profit in the ratio of their investment. Here, two terms of the ratio 2:3 are 2 and 3. Now, sum of these terms is equal to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. This means if the profit is rupees 5, then Ravi should get rupees 2 and Rani should get rupees 3. Or we can say that Ravi gets 2 parts and Rani gets 3 parts out of the 5 parts. Got that? Well, that is Ravi should get 2 upon 5 of total profit and Rani should get 3 upon 5 of total profit. I'm sure you've got it now, right? Well, now as profit is rupees 40,000, Ravi's share can be found out as Ravi's share is equal to rupees 2 upon 5 into 40,000. Once you calculate it, it is rupees 16,000. And Rani's share is equal to rupees 3 into 5 into 40,000, which is equal to rupees 24,000.